see, the map has dropped below 14, and it's just getting ready to start a regen. Obviously, when I'm boosting it, it shows higher. So far we're at about a minute, and it hasn't yet kicked in the regen. There, now it's finally kicked in the regen, so it was about a minute and 20 seconds or so.